I think the real goal is to be out 2 to 3 weekends a month, traveling, getting as far away from home as possible before we kind of need to turn the train around and get back home. Naturally falling into this idea where we're camping out of the rig has become the most efficient way to accomplish that goal.
We typically pack the same major pieces every time we go camping. So we always have our sleeping bag, we always have the dog blankets, we always have to have the Dometic CFX to hold our food because we're not typical one-night campers. So we need enough food, we need enough supplies to last us for as long as we're going. I think the importance of cooking while camping is it almost completes the experience, whether it be on a mountain or by a lake.
It's one less thing I have to think about when we're on a trip, and it's one more way that we can kind of be present to see the thing that you haven't seen before. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters.